Productions. This is Bottinithekid, and before the video starts, I just wanted to let you guys know we do have merch. We got the yellow, which is fire. I'm wearing it now. It's sick. We got the mint green, which is dope. Mint green, heavy cotton, so it's like nice material, and the tag on the left shoulder. Got limited edition reds. This is bleach ink, so it's not regular ink, it's bleached ink, and it looks really sick. It doesn't have the tag on the arm, so it looks sick. Some old merch, if you guys want some old merch. We got only small and XL, that's it. Small and XL. And the long sleeve, which has a bolt, and it looks pretty fire. We got stickers as well for sale. We got this logo, which goes in white, black, and green, which goes pretty hard. We got these ones, which only come in green and black. Only come in green and black. The RP, we got white, black, and red. So hit up Radprodzfilmz on Instagram or Bottinithekid on Instagram, and we'll get you set up and we'll get you that merch. Or link in description below on how you can get the merch. Bing bong, back to the video.
Whoa! Ah. Shit, I think I broke it.
Oh no.
No. Oh, fucking hit my nuts. Oh.
Hold to the side right here.
I hit my nuts. I went to go sit on it and I sat on my nuts. Go ahead, go ahead. Nobody gets hurt.
Simon, yes. Simon. Alright, so you're the brakes, because I don't have brakes.
Like this, I'm gonna hold the brakes. What happened? Body gets hurt! Hell yeah! Drive on the sideline. Drive on the sideline. Yeah! Yeah! Holy shit! Going fast, fast. Your jacket! Your jacket! Holy moly! I was all, your jacket! You're all, so I had to press down the brakes. Now, yeah, we're doing good. We're doing good. Oh, shit. Yeah! We're good.
All right.
Sidewalk. Whoa! Whoa! Here I go. Yeah! That was amazing.
That was fun. Oh,
Can't believe you broke her. And scene. How's it going? Patrick Bottini crashed this, but right now we got it fixed, you know. Your go-kart.
Woo, baby! We win it! We win it! Yo! Fast as fuck fight!
We got another fucking problem. I think you ride it next, or you could break it. Oh no. Oh no. Your love. All I need, your love.
Do you want to try it on the mini bike to go up these hills or no?
Nice.
Yeah, we should have been over there.
Sat on his nuts. Hey, yo. Yeah, buddy. Whoa! What did you put me through?
This guy's a sped. This is like the third time this guy popped the chain off. This guy's been fucking up my mini bike all day.
Huh. Hello?
Chain pop off?
Yeah.
Really?
I don't know. I guess I'm a little too rough.
Did you fuck it up again?
I did a little drift.
And what happened?
The chain popped off. All I need's your love tonight. All I need's your love tonight. 1, 2, 3. And scene. Oh, who's yelling? Let me know when you're ready.